Just like my alarm clock from Monday mornings, Facebook stopped working this week randomly. These are the times when it helps that you're being the tech genius. And luckily, Molin is full of people who are good with tech. So in a few days, we've built the Facebook integration for you. This means that from now on, an AI can handle your Facebook page too. If anyone connects to you on Facebook and on your website, now Molin handles them at the same time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually set this up. Please navigate to the integrations page. Spoiler, you will see my personal Facebook account. Please don't spam me, but check out my profile picture and hit a like. Okay, so go on to the integrations page and open the Facebook Messenger part. It's super easy. We will just click on the authorize the page access. By the way, you will see all the conversations in the conversations tab. So authorize page access. And then you will see this page. So pick your actual page. I'm going to go with Molin. All the other pages are blurred out anyway. Then hit from this page, I will pick only the current pages. If you want to enable everything, then you can do that, and then later you can pick it from the list. But this time I'm going to just opt into current pages only and pick my shop, which is Foo Shop, and continue. It is going to list me the permissions, and I'm just going to save. And now I'm connected to Molin AI. Got it. Okay, so far so good. Open the Facebook Messenger integration again and click here. And from this list, pick your shop, Foo Shop, and save. If you want to disconnect the widget, then just click on X, so it's going to be deleted, and save it again. Perfect, but this time I want to connect it, so I'm just going to the Foo Shop again and save. It's saved, perfect. So now I'm gonna go to my Facebook page. So this is the great Facebook page my shop has. It's Foo Shop, there's 2 likes and 2 followers. So assuming this is your page, some customers or somebody might searches for your shop on Facebook, finds your page, and just hit message. So let's see how it works. Hello, can you help me? Huh. So what happens right now is that we have a delay. And the delay is because people tend to send multiple messages on Facebook. So this way we can group them. So now, right now I sent 2 messages. It was grouped, and then Molin replied to both of them. Of course, what do you need help with? If I go back to inbox, I have a new conversation and the messages were grouped. So, hello, how can you help me? Haha. This was actually one message, so Molin could understand it. And then it said, of course, what do you need help with? So if we go back to the conversation, then can you tell me a joke? And then the delay is around 5 to 10 seconds first, plus a bit of Facebook API delay. But the point is that typically within 15 seconds, Molin will see the message, so it's seen, and start writing. And also we divide the messages into smaller chunks, so it feels more natural. It feels more like a conversation on Facebook. So as you can see, this is actually one message divided into 3 messages. So sure, here's one for you. Why don't cats play poker in the jungle? Too many cheetahs. Really good message. And it even gave me the laughing emoji. It actually feels super natural to use it on Facebook. So if I go back, then you can see that it's already seen this message. So that's it. This is the way you can connect your Facebook account to Molin. We are going to have multiple new integrations coming soon. We are planning to have Instagram, WhatsApp as well. So stay tuned for that one. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel and don't miss out, because we are releasing amazing cool features every week.